Corona. Virus. Words are coined together and becomes a global pandemic. But this is not about COVID-19. This is all about Narathiwat province. Mabuhay! This is Jose Rolando. Welcome to my travel channel. Don't forget to share to your family, relatives, friends, neighbors, and acquaintances. Please subscribe. Narathiwat province is a gem of the south in Thailand, considered as number 11 in Southeast Asia with the cleanest air. Are you looking for a changed universe? Don't panic. Enjoy every minute of your life. Join me here at Bacho Waterfalls. The beautiful cascade of clear water descended this whole series. It traverses very awesome scenery, gradually faded but reappear in surprising manner. The stunning rocks have been carved over time by Mother Nature. Make sure you take a dip in the cool pools of water and bask in the surrounding greenery as your body soaks up from the natural spring flows. Bacho Waterfalls is a great recreational plan to melt the stress away. Great place to call yourself. Rocks are perched facing the tranquil forest. Let's go to the basin of Bacho Waterfalls. It's there! It's a clear day. Better yet to climb and get a bird's eye view of the entire forest. Reaching at the top of dense tropical forest with massive granite is fulfilling. Wearing this crown or corona is my fulfillment with the steep mountain slope. These waterfalls nestled at the heart of protected forest under the royal patronage. The fascinating mountains and gigantic trees are the refuge of endangered species. Traveling to Narathiwat has gone beyond to discover the natural beauty of the province. Be closer to diverse landscapes and unique scenery that complements its natural topography while providing visitors with laid-back lifestyle. You can't get any closer to Mother Nature than when you are at Bacho Waterfalls.